Hi, good morning, everyone. So you're welcome to day one of today's Excel challenge for my beginners. My name is Chidimamba, your Microsoft certified data analyst. Now, this is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to take in this step by step and assume everyone here doesn't know how to use Microsoft Excel. So most of us, we buy our laptops or computers, but we don't even know where Microsoft Excel is in our system. So I'm going to start from that. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to go through the task we have for today. Now, you are a freelancer data analyst or a data entry specialist, and it's a very high paying job on Upwork, and you just got a gig or a side job. Somebody gave you a task to do for $15, and this is what you should have for those of you that have opened the file I sent earlier. So this is what it says. Day one task, data entry. This is a sample Upwork job post that I got from Upwork just to show you guys how people make money. So this is what it says. It's a sample Upwork job. It says, I need help entering sales data into Excel, beginner friendly task. So it says, hi there, I run a small online store and I need someone to help me enter daily sales data into an Excel spreadsheet. So it is assumed here that this your client has an online store, but the person doesn't know how to use Excel and has been writing down probably all his sales in a book, or probably he has just been typing it in just a Word format, and he will need you to put it into Excel and run data entry for him so that he can follow your format and start doing it. Or probably you'll be doing it for him on a weekly basis. That's how some people do. So your task is to create an Excel table. Please take note of it. Number one, create an Excel table with the following columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Date, customer name, product, quantity, so unit price, total sales. Then he said manually enter about 7 to 10 rows of sample data for now. So he's not going to give you whatever it is that he has on his data from his end. He wants to see if you can, how will I say it now? How you can just do something on your own, right? So manually enter 7 rows of sample data for now. Use formulas to number three, use formulas to calculate total sales equals to quantity times unit price. It's even telling you what to do, right? Then format the table. Number four, format the table neatly. Put bold headers, apply borders, etc. So this is a simple job, perfect for someone just starting out in data entry or Excel. So if you do well, I will have more tasks coming. So the person wants to test and see if truly you are good in data entry. And they say, please reply with the following to my mail. This is the mail you are going to be sending your work to. What he needs is a screenshot of your table, the Excel file which you use to work on it, and then he needs a short note confirming you did it yourself. Thanks, James. So this is what our task is for today. Now, how do we go about solving it? Then we move to our Excel.